Hello friends, what is equal to I root I? Let's solve it. Since 5 root equal to 1 over 5, then I root equal to 1 over I. So I root I is same as I to the power 1 over I. I hope you understood. I to the power 1 over I, rationalize it, times minus I over minus I. We have I to the power 1 times minus I over minus I times I square. Clear? I to the power minus I over minus I square equal to minus 1, because if I equal to square root of minus 1, take square on both sides, I square equal to square root of minus 1 whole square. Square will be cancelled from square root. We have minus 1. Clear? In the next step, we have I to the power minus I over minus plus 1. So we have I to the power minus I. Since a to the power minus n equal to 1 over a to the power m, so I to the power minus I is same as 1 over I to the power I. As I have already proved that and I already solved it, I to the power I equal to e to the power minus pi over 2. Its solution you can see at end part of this video. So it will be equal to 1 over e I to the power I e to the power minus pi over 2, 1 over e to the power minus pi by 2 equal to 1 over e to the power pi over 2, 1 times e to the power pi by 2 over 1, which is equal to e to the power pi over 2. Hence, I root I is equal to e to the power pi over 2, which is our final and correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get the notification of my new videos. And don't forget to share these videos with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it. Okay, bye.